Yesterday.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and finish up the front bumper. We're gonna go ahead and install the grille and also do the wiring for the fog light bezels. Alright, so I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm over it. I'm gonna finish this tomorrow. Alright, what's going on, you guys? So today's a new day. I ended up fixing up the wiring. This is the new wiring for the fog light bezels and fog light. Same thing with this side. Cleaned it up, so we're good to go. So all that's left is to install the grille on the front bumper. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so the grill I'm using is like that JDM style front grill. Got some OEM Subaru emblem and the STI logo for the front grill. And then it's reinstalling my front camera, like what you guys kind of saw in the last two videos I had. So just need to install the bumper and it's almost good to go. Alright. This is so much easier than having to cut this out again. Alright, so almost done. Just got two little parts left from Subaru that I got to install. It's literally just the toe cap for the front bumper right here and the rear bumper. Just gotta install that and it should be good. Alright, that's it for today's video. The car's finally done and ready for the body shop. So hopefully when we get the car back, everything's painted and I can finally install all the other parts that I've been kind of holding off on just because I wanted to get this fixed. But yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Laters.